Cooler boxes are the key to keeping your food fresh and your beverages cold for outdoor convenience. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and grades, which is a rating for how long it can hold temperatures. So what are the differences and which one is right for you? This is a 12.5 litre cooler box, and it is my go-to when I head out for a day outing. It is lightweight and easy to carry, but it won't keep things cold for days. This softer cooler box is also ideal for carrying lunches. Once empty, it is easy to fold and pack away. Now this 30 litre cooler box fits all of our drinks as well as other stuff that we want to keep cold for the day. But again, it does not have the cold retention of these boxes behind me. But when we go out to the beach, everybody is invited. And that is when this 50 litre cooler box is best suited. We can fit cans, 2 litre bottles, waters, our lunch, you name it. It also holds ice for up to 2 days, depending on conditions. And this is the Safari 45 litre Campmaster cooler box. It is heavier, but it can retain the ice for at least 5 days due to its 50mm wall thickness and the density of the foam between the walls. This is ideal because not only is the plastic tough, but it's impact resistant. In the event that you need a bigger one, this 60 litre Eco Cooler box can hold a lot more. Both of these have latches on the lid as well as a rubber gasket to help seal the top and keep the cold inside. One addition, regardless of the cooler box that you're using, are ice bricks. They're available in different sizes for the perfect fit into your cooler box. They keep the contents colder for longer, without the hassle of melted ice water that could spoil your salmis. These cooler boxes and more outdoor lifestyle products are available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. For more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.